Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the Lasham Daily Briefing for Thursday, the 9th of April, 2024. So if we start off with the synoptic charts then, this is as of midnight last night. That nice ridge of high pressure we had yesterday is lingering there just, but is going to move off to the east because these two cold fronts are going to be coming through throughout the afternoon. The first one's a weakening affair, so there's no real rain on that for sure. But the second one is a lot more stronger, and there's a couple of troughs behind it, so it's clearly unstable there. If I run through to 6 o'clock this morning, you can see the weak cold front is pretty well sat over us at the moment. And I think I can go forward a little bit further, 12 o'clock, and you can see this the main cold front then is over us. We'll see how much rain there is on that second front, but fundamentally we're going to be left in a westerly airstream today. So here's the cloud um, forecast, and you can see there's two fronts clearly. There's the second one there, the larger one, and the weaker ones on the front. All we got really on it is a little bit of cloud clear to the east. And actually, as such, there's no rain here at the moment. This main band of rain is going to be on the main cold front that comes through, the second one that comes through. So here's a Met Office predicted rain forecast. There's that second front there. And if I just run that through slowly, you can see it's approaching towards us. Not actually at a very fast speed. There's remnants of the weaker cold front going through there down to the east, but the main band is probably not going to hit us till maybe 3 o'clock or so this afternoon. The local forecast, Odium have not got a TAF yet, but they're giving 4 knots from the southwest. Viz 10k or more, no cloud below 1500 meters. And if I run through the TAF for Farnborough, they're literally giving us 5 knots from the west southwest, but Cav okay. Spot winds are giving us to the north about 24015, to the south 3105. And if I look at windy, she's giving us today. This is later on today. They're giving us 11 knots from the west. If we go early to around about now, they're giving 5 knots from the west. Local forecast, westerly winds pretty well throughout the day. And yeah, really, sunshine up to around about 10. A little bit over, it's giving overcast. So I think we will get heat to the ground. So there will be a little bit of thermal activity later, I think. GFS is giving us a max temperature today here of 18 degrees with a dew point down at 8. Temperature outside at the moment is just off 11 degrees with dew point down at 8. And you can see the temperature and pressure temperature and dew point slowly rising at the moment. If you're outside the window, and this is the overcast, I think they're forecasting, and it's going to be there. I think we will get some heat through it, so we may get some weaker thermals later, and the wind is just a light southwesterly. Okay, so here's top meteo then, and if I go to predicted thermal, this is actually not till 11 o'clock, nothing till 11, and if I run that through, they're talking about weak blue thermals to about 2,500 foot above sea level, and maybe the best case today will be around about 3,000 foot per chance. Sky Sight is giving us a westerly wind today, weak thermals to around about 2,000 foot, perhaps they're saying. Nothing special there, I'm afraid, maybe 2 knots at best. And the actual cross section is giving us no cumulus actually till later on. It's going to be blue fundamentally. And no TAMs, no real NOTAMs to affect. So if we go on to the operations for the day, then a couple of points worth of note here. First of all, there's a cross section. This upper cloud coming in from the cold front and weak blue thermals perhaps underneath throughout the day. We've got a K21 on the book flying, two K21s on the course, K21 on casual lists, two K13s on the book flying, K13 on trial lessons, single seat availability, and there are 4 on a casual list, so an instructor would be useful, please. Simulator is available as usual. 2XL, these are the interesting points. Now we have got a compass swing planned, threshold of 09 from 8 o'clock till 10, and there's a B757 departure of 3:30 later on today. Quick call out for the Arboin again. 4th to the 23rd of October. Any information required, speak to Ron, Evan, or myself. So, cold fronts approaching from the west later in the day, weak soaring later in the day, work being carried out by the ground staff today on the south side grass near the runway. This is well overdue and they're going to work on it today. So, it will mean that we will set up on 27 normal operations, but on the north side. Any air tows will be off the runway on the south side. Please be ready when the cable or tugs arrives and do not land or taxi aircraft on the disused runways that we show in red. And here's the setup for today then. So winch and the cables on the north side. I don't think we'll have a grid today. If anyone does want to go fly, come and join us at the launch point, I think. Wind is down the strip. Aerotone will be off the runway to the south. Winching will be off the grass to the north. And be mindful, of course, of the work that's going to be going on the south side. Okay, that's all for now. I shall speak with you all later. Bye.